I have a really big entrepreneurial spirit, and I think that's what it takes because, like we said, this is running a small business basically. And so, as a business owner, you need to take initiative and start reaching out to people. Once you get to the point where you've actually filmed um, your project and produced it in real time, obviously the next stage is editing. And editing can make or break the film. That's the most interesting part about filmmaking is like we said yesterday with a novel, the novel is the ending bottom line. That's the material that the author has this experience. The screenplay really is just the beginning of the filmmaking process. And even as we go through production, that's still not the bottom line either. So editing is just as important as actual filming and writing itself because editing is its own version of storytelling and its own version of how you write something because with editing the possibilities are endless on how you can change the words or however you build the visual and audio relationship can be completely different from the screenplay, and that's not a good or bad thing because with the movie being the final bottom line, it's okay to evolve and change. And it's important to be malleable and flexible with that vision because our ideas of what we thought the movie was going to be at the screenplay is probably going to go through its version of its metamorphosis by the time it's finished. And so with editing, our job is to heighten all of the previous storytelling we've done through production and through the screenplay process. And this is where we really mold it into something that is special and unique. And so editing is its own art form.